This is a Douglas fir tree. Although it has deep roots here on Earth, this evergreen giant began its life at the center of a cosmic adventure that was totally out of this world.
The journey that this tree has gone on, most of us would only dream about.
1971, Cape Canaveral, Florida. 37-year-old astronaut Stuart Roosa is preparing for the mission of a lifetime. He will be the command module pilot on the 4th manned mission to the moon, Apollo 14. But this voyage will be different than those that preceded it. In addition to his normal duties, Roosa will conduct a unique experiment that is critical to the future of space travel itself. If astronauts are going to explore the far reaches of space, or even live on other planets, they'll need some way to grow food.
If we can figure out how to do agriculture in space or on other planets, that dramatically extends your range and could be a key part of the survival of any, say, Martian colonies.
But scientists have absolutely no idea if plants or even seeds can survive the tough conditions of space. Beyond the effects of zero gravity, without the protection of Earth's atmosphere, seeds will be exposed to high levels of radiation. Such radiation can either kill seeds before they sprout or mutate their DNA, which would cause plants to grow in unexpected ways. So, to observe the effect space travel has on plant life, Roosa will take 400 seeds from 5 different tree species with him on his mission. After returning to Earth, the seeds will go through a decontamination process and then be planted. If they grow into healthy trees, it'll open the door to a bold new future for space travel.
Roosa's experiment was basically the first step into what could be the field of intergalactic agriculture.
Roosa packs the seeds into a special metal canister. Then, on January 31st, 1971, Apollo 14 launches into space. Destination, Moon. After 3 days, the lunar lander touches down on the moon. While the astronauts on the surface raise a flag and retrieve rock samples, Roosa stays behind in the command module with the precious seeds. After 9 days in space, Apollo 14 returns to Earth, and the canister of seeds is unloaded from the capsule.
They're all ready to go. All they have to do now is decontaminate them and see if they will grow.
But this routine procedure is about to take an explosive turn. As technicians carefully open the canister,
the cylinder actually exploded.
As the trip to the moon turned these once harmless seeds into deadly exploding pods from outer space. 1971, astronaut Stuart Roosa has taken a canister containing more than 400 seeds all the way around the moon and back to Earth. But during a routine decontamination, the canister unexpectedly breaks open in a violent blast. So what's happened to these interstellar seeds? As the dust settles, it's clear what caused the explosion. It's not the seeds themselves. NASA scientists have simply misjudged the difference in pressure inside the canister versus the pressure in the decontamination chamber, causing the canister to burst open. But the NASA scientists are still worried. The blast was so violent, they fear the seeds were damaged and will not germinate. Nevertheless, the seeds are sent to labs at the United States Forest Service, where they're planted.
Scientists decided, why not? What have we got to lose?
With each passing day, it seems that the seeds will never, ever grow.
It looked like the entire experiment was going to be a failure.
But then, more than a month after they were planted, something amazing happens.
They had all these little tree seedlings.
Roosa and his fellow NASA scientists have demonstrated that seeds can survive the rigors of space travel. The seedlings grow into healthy trees. NASA officials replant them in hundreds of locations across the country, from Washington, D.C. to the California coast. Because of their extraordinary journey, they become known as moon trees.
The moon trees really, the inspiring thing about them is that they're a living monument to what humans can accomplish when they get together and focus on a common goal and really go for it.
In the years that follow, NASA constructs a fully functional greenhouse in space.
NASA has actually done some experimentation with growing a garden on the International Space Station. The next step, obviously, would be to plant a little garden on Mars.
Today, this moon tree still stands outside Oregon State University's Special Collections and Archives Research Center. It's a testament to the resilience of Mother Nature and the budding future of space travel.